Having ourselves a little windstorm here. Pleasure craft has dragged its moorn and is into the causeway. This is the causeway. A little windy old kilometer pass to get to the island where we live. That sailboat's sails are all tattered, blowing in the wind. And right there is the antennas of the little boat that's going ashore. It's not good, and it's just starting. That guy's sails on the other ones is all blowing. It's going to be a rough one. I would say they're there to help Stretch get his boat, perhaps.